Hey guys, I'm Suwandi, and in this video I will show you how to stabilize your shaky videos only using a smartphone. Okay, so the application we use is Google Photos. For your information, Google Photos is a default application from Google, which is usually already available on our Android device since we first bought it. However, if you don't have a Google Photos application, you can download it on Google Play Store for Android and App Store for iOS. Many smartphones now have a stabilizer camera feature on their default camera, whether it's electronic image stabilization or optical image stabilization. But some smartphones don't have a built-in camera stabilizer on their default camera. So, if your smartphone don't have a stabilizer camera feature, you can use this trick. Okay, first, prepare the video that you want to stabilize. Google Photos is support MP4 and MOV video formats. Okay, and I will take a video using Redmi 9A, which doesn't have a stabilizer feature on their camera. Okay, let's go. Okay. Secondly, please open the Google Photos application, then look for the video that you want to stabilize. Okay, then click the edit icon at the bottom center. Okay, then click the slanted window icon on the stabilization process is in progress. And the length of the stabilization process is determined by how long a video is. So, if the video you are stabilizing is long, the stabilization process will take a long time. Okay? If the stabilization process is complete, then click Save Copy. Okay? And here is the result. It's very easy, right guys? The result is very good and very smooth. You can use this trick if you want to make a cinematic video to make it more smooth and stable. Okay, that's enough for me. Thank you and goodbye.